Welcome to this review of the Trion electronic air cleaner. So this is the air cleaner right here. It's plugged in, so I'm going to turn it on. Now it has three settings: fan, high, and low. So I'm going to start with fan. Now I'm going to go to high. And now low. So this is where it sucks air from here, cleans it in here, and then it brings the fresh air out here. Okay, so I'm going to turn it off and open it and show you what's inside. Just pull it and then lift. So here's the instructions right here. This pulls right out, so you have to just pull this and then lift. Right over here is the charcoal filter, so that goes in there. Just slides out, so you can slide that out for cleaning. And here's the other filter right here. Slide this out as well. There's two filters. This is the metal filter. Okay, so I'm going to put the filters back in. And here's the charcoal filter. So basically the way it works is that it sucks the air through the metal filter. It goes through here, and then it goes through the charcoal filter, and then the fresh air comes through here. So I'm going to install this. Okay, I'm going to turn it over here, show you the bottom. So there you go. This was a review of the Trion electronic air cleaner. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.